Hey folks, Jared here, Direct Igniter. Just wanted to do a little quick video, show you guys something here. A customer brought me this old Traeger. The auger shaft was totally impacted and will not come out of there. Even if we get it out, it's not going to go back in and work properly. He put a flame to it, he put water to it, he tried all kinds of different techniques to get that auger out of there, and they didn't work. And actually the water and the flame made the problem worse. So don't use that. But what I wanted to show you guys is we took one of our pellet hoppers and we slapped it on this thing. This is a very large older Traeger, very heavy. It's one of the American built ones. So we put a pellet hopper on here and it was getting up to about 370, 380 degrees with their pellet hopper on there. I wasn't quite happy with the high-end performance there. I think it should get a little bit hotter. So we put one of our Gleason and Avery American-made auger motors on here. And since I put the new auger motor, we are now at 480 on this thing. Now it's at 485. So we're hitting just about 500 on this older Traeger now, just by putting our auger motor upgrade on there. This auger motor is a true 2 RPM, not like the China versions that are probably not even running at 1.6 RPM under load. So if you want to get your Traeger to get hotter, especially these older American-made ones, this is a great option. You can get it on our website, www.directigniter.com. As you can see here, I'm now up to 495, 500. We just hit 500 on this old Traeger. That is really cooking. These auger motors definitely are awesome. If you need one, hit our website and we can get you taken care of.